Nike's official Hello Kitty sneakers are perfect. Just perfect.
End of story.
That's it. No need for an article. They'll be out next month and should be easier to get a hold of than the infamous 2004 collaboration. Look at these collabs Nike put. They got something for everybody, don't they?
I kind of actually like
no,
these.
it's weird that I was thinking when I read the headline but didn't fully see the sneaker, I pictured something that would be impossible to wear.
Yeah.
But actually, as you say, they've somehow downplayed the kiddiness a little bit. Granted, I still wouldn't wear it, but it's not that far off. But I don't know anything about Hello Kitty either.
But
so
I
would feel like a major imposter if I was like, I got those new Hello Kitties.
Right.
And people
and
are
to
like,
call them Hello Kitty.
And people are like, you big on that Hello Kitty? I'd be like, I don't know anything about it. It's a cat. I don't.
Check out my kitties.
Cat, Japan. Like, I don't know, you know. Like, I just be honest about it.
Would you get it if it was a skull emoji instead of cat?
Oh, hell yeah. And I didn't need to know anything about the lore.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, this was an
different.
old collaboration.
That one's
It feels
also
older, too.
cool. The shoe is a Presto. I don't mind the shoe. I don't really, it's a little tight on the top of my foot, that shoe. It's one of these slide it in and pretend the laces are doing something, but it's a classic silhouette, as they say in the sneaker realm. They've been rumored for a while now, and were first thought to be a long overdue public release of the 2004 collaboration. Oh, they thought they were just going to re-release it. A wider drop. Ended up landing in the hands of just a few dozen lucky friends and family. Oh, okay. Last time around, super limited. Possibly less limited this time. Okay, that one, now we're in the territory.
Oh.
I need a few less cat heads, and then we're there.
Well, that could be just a pattern, you know, at a glance. So it's not too bad.
Okay, well.
It's only when you really stare at it. It's like, hey, that's Hello Kitty.
Okay. Is anyone here like familiar with the Hello Kitty thing? Does anyone know what we need to know about it?
I have no idea.
Was it a show? Is it just merch? Like,
it's everything. It's like a mascot.
Oh, okay.
Here we have an update from Jesse. He says, in the past 2 days, Chrome removed all super chat and super sticker options. I had to reopen Safari like a psycho and then also use a VPN to finally make the buttons return. What, WTF, anyone else have these issues? Okay, you guys let us know. I don't know. That's interesting. I don't know.
That's no good.
Definitely not good. So Hello Kitty 30-year anniversary. Is that what it just said up there? Scroll up. Hello Kitty Air Presto was part of a project to celebrate the character's 30th anniversary was in 2004. Man, see, I told you there's Hello Kitty lore. I told you. Initially, according to Smith, the pack was supposed to get a limited but available release, but ultimately only an estimated 12 pairs of each colorway made their way to friends and family. Oh, God, those must be worth a lot of money.
Oh, wow, he's right. I'm on Chrome, and there is no super chat or sticker button.
Interesting. Very interesting. Here we have Connor sending via Chrome. It must be some kind of Chrome update. Something's gone haywire here. Anyway.
Let me refresh.
Here's the new 2022 collab. A new design featuring a blue colorway, and cutest of all, a custom heel cup that features Hello Kitty's face and trademark bow. All right, Will. You going for this or what? You rocking this? Will you be rocking this?
Sadly, no.
You will not. Okay.
But I do like the color. The color's nice.
Yeah. I mean, Hello Kitty, the fact that Hello Kitty is older than we are, that feels weird. Because Hello Kitty, and I guess that's the thing about creating characters, they're young forever, Will.
Yeah.
Hello Kitty
They
never
don't
gets
age.
Hello Kitty never gets old.
Yeah.
So
They also have merch.
one day I'm gonna have to get to the bottom of it, and I'm gonna dive into it.
Into the Hello Kitty?
I mean, it's not gonna take me that long. It's gonna be an hour.
Yeah.
And next thing you know, I'm gonna at least have a brief, like an overview of what's going on with this Hello Kitty.
Okay.
That's all I need, Will. I can't keep this blind spot because I know it's gonna come up again. I'm gonna live long enough. I'm gonna be here for 84 years. And it's gonna come up again. Update. The shoes and accompanying line of clothes are actually out on May 27th, not May 2nd, as originally reported. In the meantime, Nike has released some official images of both the shoe and its smaller sizes and clothing that features t-shirts, hoodies, and matching track pants. It's a full look. Okay. Even the footbeds. Even the box, the coolest part. The problem, these are so collector. Do you even wear it? You just keep, oh my.
Oh, look at the.
I might have to get that for my daughter. I might have to get that.
I think you will.
There's a baby one.
They're so stubby.
There's a baby one.
There's something about baby shoes that are just.
Damn. And Willie Doo might wear that one right there.
Yeah.
The PJs.
All of us just wearing Hello Kitty merch.
I don't know. Maybe
Those comfy.
well, Nike obviously watches this show, so they can. So does Hello Kitty. We can send it over to choose to.